Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to show you how you can make spare ribs in the air fryer. Let's get started. We're going to open it up real quick. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the skin off the back of the ribs. And what you want to do, it's kind of a lot of work. It's a little time consuming, but what you want to do is you want to cut into it just a little bit, remove some of the extra chunks. Then you want to use your thumb and start pushing away against the skin. Like that. Okay, we have majority of the skin removed. We're going to remove that. Throw that away. And next, what you want to do is you want to marinate it. We have here garlic powder. Some sea salt. And some black pepper. To give it a little heat. And for some smoky flavor, you want to add some paprika. Okay. And next you turn it over. And do the same thing again. What you want to do next is after that, you want to add some olive oil. I'm just going to spray it on. Okay. We're only going to be making around half of it, because that's what we can fit in the air fryer. There we go. And what you want to do next is we're going to put it in a bag. What you want to do is you want to leave it, we're going to leave it in the bag and we're going to let it marinate for 24 hours and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 24 hours and now we're going to put in the ribs. Go. Now we're going to put it into the preheated air fryer at 400 degrees for 34 minutes. And what we'll do is halfway point, we'll flip it. And we'll be back. Okay, we're at the halfway point, 17 minutes left. And we're going to flip them over. Oh boy, looking good. Okay, we're going to flip it over. Go. Now we're gonna put it back in for the last 17 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, it's ready. We're gonna take it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. We're gonna slice it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. There we go, looking wonderful. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna make the sauce. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay, stir that all around. Looking good. And next, what you want to do is add 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar. And stir it all together. Okay, we're set. Now we're set, we're just going to brush the sauce on it. Just brush a little bit more. Make sure you get the sides too, if you can. This is what we have today, garlic ribs made in an air fryer. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Looks like you want a bite. Here you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.